Oh my god, guys, so we just got a package in the mail. It's squishies, and I can't wait to open them.
Yeah, I'm sorry we look at work, but it's like early in the morning.
Oh my god, Caroline.
Wait.
Okay, let's open these
Oh,
first.
by the way, this video is not sponsored by anything.
But it was 1 day shipping. What the heck? Amazon, I love you.
Wow, there's so many good ones in here.
Don't look at them yet. Don't spoil. You open one turtle and
Oh yeah, I got us 2 turtles, one for her and one for me.
you're so squishy. Okay. Oh, it says, thank you. Oh, it has a letter. Thank you for purchasing at, but it's in a, I don't know what it's called.
Pup Cool Tup. My son
Wait,
says
I'm making a video. That's my brother, Benjamin.
my son says he wants to draw something for the best customer in the world.
Oh,
Hope
that's
this
so
doodle by my little son can make you smile.
Aww.
Have a nice day. Oh, look at
Oh, make sure to buy from this.
This is a little doodle,
Oh
I
my
think.
god, that was so nice. Thank
That's
you.
so cute.
Oh my god, we're definitely gonna buy it from you
Yeah,
again.
it says little thank you.
Oh my god, this comes with. This is so much bigger than I thought it was gonna
Oh
be.
my
What's
goodness. Because one time
here?
when we
There's a
got these,
keychain.
where? Oh. Wow.
Oh,
Because one time when we got these,
Oh my God, these-
they're like half size.
I know. Okay.
Okay, but first let's do this pack. Oh my god, these are a little chilly. Okay, I can't
Don't look. Don't look.
Okay, so in here I think there's about 20, but I'm gonna just count real quick without looking at them. Where's the opening?
Try not to look. Okay.
I'm trying not to.
No, let's just pull it out. Let's just pull it out and count by then. Okay.
No, I'm trying.
You just pull out yourself. Okay. Just pull out.
Okay.
We're just gonna
There's
pull out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, there is 20.
Okay. So I'll go.
Okay, so we're not looking at them.
Right.
I'll go for, oh, sorry, my little
I'll go first. There's a peanut. It's a peanut. Yes.
Make sure you put them back in this packaging though. So I want to put my turtle back.
Oh, but the keychain's like out and then the squishy is in.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
It's fine. I'm gonna have to like destroy this package.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a little peanut. Okay,
Benjamin,
guys.
be quiet.
We're making a video and he's interrupting.
And
Oh
by
my
the way,
God.
there might be part 2 with just how
Oh my
many stitches there are in front of us.
Okay, now Caroline go.
Wait, you have to like get them like a little closer. It's actually pretty slow rising, and I love this little peanut.
Okay, I'm gonna keep this definitely. This little note. How
Yeah.
does his son make that? It's so cute. It's a little Eiffel Tower. Okay, go Caroline.
Yeah, we're gonna keep like a little box of
Do
whatever
yours.
thank you know. Okay, so here's the first one. So we're just gonna put it back in here. Hold
Don't
on.
look.
Okay. The next one I have grabbed is this little pig.
Oh my god, I should get that because
It doesn't matter.
and then I'm gonna have to
We
steal.
got this little pig.
Oh wow.
This is a lot better than the last package where I got scammed. Yeah, there wasn't a YouTube video on that. There
Oh my
wasn't
gosh.
really a YouTube video on that,
Okay,
but it was something.
my turn. Oh my god.
Oh, it's a gummy bear!
It's a little bear.
Oh my god, I love squishies.
This,
Hold on, let me put this back.
I can't believe we got like the best sellers. Oh my god. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. We got like the best sellers. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it smells actually better than squishies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that works. You can go in with the peanut.
Now you can get now.
Oh, and also the pig can go in there. I'm going to choose this little pepper.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually really slow rising, surprisingly. I'm so happy with this pack. Oh, I don't know what you guys were looking at in the mail, and it was just like, wow, what's this? So here's what it looks like. It's
Ooh,
pretty
can I
slow
feel?
rising.
Oh
I've
yeah.
never had a pepper squishy before. I've
Yeah.
never even seen one.
It's
But
my
that's
turn now.
adorable.
Oh, we got this like little stack of pancakes and this little bunny.
We actually
is
haven't found any that weren't so rising yet.
So soft. Oh my gosh. This is the softest thing ever. Oh my god, this is actually like so soft. Feel it, Caroline, feel it right
Oh
now.
my goodness. Oh, I can feel it just being soft already. Wow. Okay, that's really good.
Okay, you
My
get
turn. I'm gonna choose this one. We've had this guy before, but Charlotte lost it. It's like this little mushroom guy.
Oh my gosh, yes.
I'm squishing it inside the packaging and out because some people like both. So. And it's not really a cute packaging, so. Because it's off of Amazon, so you can't really expect it to be. But look how cute.
And these were like cheap, like above or under $10, or under $15. So not that
But
expensive.
it's so slow rising. Okay.
I want to feel it.
Charlotte, it's your turn.
It's a poop.
Oh my gosh, it's a poop.
Okay, you know this? We never had a poop squishy. Oh my gosh. The constipation is red. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's a pink turd.
Turn up. It's
I'm
my
the first
turn.
like come on.
Don't. You can get copyrighted from that.
Look how cute the face is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so rising and
At
soft.
least show them.
Okay, you have to go. I can't wait. I can't think of anything.
It's Winnie Panda Fun!
Oh my god.
Hold up.
I was gonna open that.
Hold up.
Hold on. Let me catch my breath. Let me catch Sorry, that one's on notification.
Open! Okay, look how cute. So here's what he looks like. It's actually quite sticky and slow rising.
Oh, I want to feel it so bad.
Like, it's like,
That's so sticky. This is the stickiest panda bun I ever felt. Alright, I'm going. It's a mini lemon.
oh.
Oh my god. I'm
Just rip
literally
it, just rip it.
like about to die.
Just rip it.
What is the ball thing? Oh, no. And we're gonna get.
No, I meant like,
Oh my. This is so sticky. It feels just like the panda bun, but even like better.
oh, it's even stickier.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying not to lose all these squishies like we did with the last packaging, but we're gonna have a lot more coming.
Yeah, and we're gonna be opening it on a plane. Yeah! Oh my god, my braces are so uncomfortable. Okay, you go, Caroline.
I'm gonna choose this little guy because he's a flat Stanley.
That's gonna be his new name.
This guy's really, really flat, as you can
Yeah.
see, but it might still be slow rising. Oh, actually, did you
Wait.
see that fingerprint?
Oh my gosh, this is actually so surprising. And I'm glad this came early because it's about to snow, so here you go. Caroline, remember this? We used to have this. Oh my gosh. We used to have this, but she gave it to her friend. Oh my god, this is so good and sticky. I love it.
Okay. Actually, it's pretty good. Okay.
Yeah, the turtle, I'm definitely gonna return them again.
By the way, guys, we're still new to opening squishies, so like, if
We're
you guys
sorry.
want us to open them differently, then just comment down below and tell us because we'd like to know. Okay, I would like to pick this.
Well, I'm gonna pick that one. Oh, it's asparagus.
This is asparagus. This is probably one of my favorite vegetables. But we never get them for some reason. Here's what it looks like. It has a ton of details. How it goes from white to green. Hold up. Let me just show them.
Hold
Look
on,
at
hold
that
on. It's
detail.
still rising. Let me
Take your
feel it.
time. Take your time, little one.
Oh my god, it's so sticky and good. Here you go.
Okay, Charlotte, it's your turn.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this popsicle is the slow
I
rising.
need to open them for you because you don't know how to. What you do is you take it from where the chain is out and you just take the two sides and just.
Okay, I got it now. Don't touch it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is the
I know they might
stickiest-
have some weird colors, but it's still pretty good.
Oh my god, Caroline, this is the slow rising squishy I ever seen.
Why is it so flat?
Mm.
Okay. It's actually very sticky, very, very sticky.
Oh my
Like
god. It feels just like the panda ball.
very sticky.
I forgot how slow rising is.
Like, if you guys can hear this, hold on. I'm gonna make them hear. Where's your speaker?
Oh, right here.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Okay, it's my turn, and I choose you, Pikachu. Okay. Oh, this one's really cute. Okay.
Oh Let me all flip him over.
Okay. Here's what he looks like.
I have to feel him. Oh, this is actually really surprising. Here we go. Oh, I'm going for this little slipper. Okay. Oh, it's a little cat slipper. It's actually so squishy and slow rising. Oh my god, here. Okay, here we go. Open another one.
Okay, I'm gonna do him. Okay, so we had something like him before, but it was a dog and not a cat. This looks more like a cat than.
And the face is way cuter. Oh my
And
god.
the face is cuter. So here's what he looks like. Little two cat ears.
I'm gonna feel
That's what he
him.
looks like.
Can I feel him?
Just pick him up.
Going for you, Pikachu. Oh my gosh, it's a little like bun. I have to open this right now. Okay, yes, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so squishy and sticky.
Oh, hold up. That's a good one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this little guy. I don't know why they would make a green dog, but I mean that's called creativity.
It's called a
so.
bunny.
This looks like a dog. Well, still, there's not a green bunny or a dog. But like, still, I like the creativity in this. But why would they add a zipper if they knew you can't get it out? Okay, but here's what it looks like. Comment down below if this is a bunny or a dog.
It looks like a bunny to me.
What it looks like? Just pick one.
Oh my god, this heart is so rising actually. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh, the face got a little bit damaged in packaging. Look. It's okay though. It's actually so rising.
We can just take the face off, and it'll be just
Okay,
a heart.
the last squishy. Don't do that. No, don't
Shut.
do that.
Do this one.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This squishy is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, the ball chain fell off. Well, how did that fall off? I don't know. The ball chain fell off in this one, but that's okay.
Kind of looks like he's about to wink.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Here's the donut. Oh my gosh. So, whoever sent this to us, thank you so much. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like,
We bought
subscribe,
it.
and bye.